Hey there, science students. Today, let's talk about something most of us take for granted: clear vision. But what happens when the eye loses its magical power to focus sharply? That's right, you get blurred vision, and it's usually because of refractive defects in the eye. There are three big ones you need to know: myopia, hypermetropia, and presbyopia. And trust me, understanding them is way easier than pronouncing them. First up, myopia, or nearsightedness. If you've ever squinted to read something far away, you might have this. People with myopia can see things up close just fine, but distant objects? Nope, they're blurry. Why? The image of that far object forms in front of the retina, not on it. This usually happens because the eyeball is too long or the lens is too curved. But here's the cool fix: a concave lens. Pop it into some glasses, and it shifts the image back onto the retina, making things sharp again. Now let's flip the script with hypermetropia, or far-sightedness. People with this defect can see distant stuff perfectly, but nearby objects? Blurry city. Their near point is farther than normal, so reading a book up close is a struggle. This happens when the eyeball is too short or the lens doesn't curve enough. The image ends up behind the retina. The solution? A convex lens. It converges the light before it hits the eye, so the image lands right on the retina where it belongs. Finally, there's presbyopia. This one sneaks up as we age. The eye's flexibility drops, and suddenly reading your phone gets tricky. The ciliary muscles weaken, and the near point recedes. Sometimes people get both myopia and hypermetropia at once, and that's where bifocals save the day. The top part helps you see far, the bottom part helps you see up close. And hey, with today's tech, contact lenses and even surgeries can help correct these defects too. So, next time you put on glasses, remember, it's all about bending the light just right. Thanks for tuning in, and keep looking sharp.